Hey there fellas, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So if the cash app paper money deposit option is not showing in your mobile app, you are not the only one, and thankfully you've come to the right video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this paper money deposit option feature in your cash app mobile app. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. Okay, so we're back in our mobile app, and the first thing that you want to do to see if this paper money option is available for your account is to go to the banking tab. In this banking tab, you just want to scroll until you see more ways to add money, deposit paper money. Okay, so if everything works well for you, you should see this deposit paper money, and also you can find it by tapping on your cash balance, and then you see it somewhere here, deposit paper money. For now the screen is blank for security purposes, so I'll just stick to this one right down here on more ways to add money. Okay, so if you don't see this paper money option available in your cash app mobile app, it means that there are a couple of things that you need to do in order to make the app show this feature on your account. Okay, so you can take a look at the top right corner. You will see the profile icon with a notification icon on it. So there are three things that need to be completed with this account. All right, you have personal things that you need to do with this account, like adding phone number, address, and all the like, and also you have the security and privacy. Okay, so these are just a few things that once neglected, you won't be able to see this paper money deposit option. Okay, so you want to take a review on all of these things that are available on your account. Okay, so on the favorite, that's not really important, and the limit, that's another thing too. So this one is just to see the total amount that you can send and receive with this account. Okay, so this account is an unverified account. All right, so let's get to the resolution steps. Okay, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you've ordered a cash app card. All right, because you cannot deposit paper money if this cash app card is not available. And if I click through it, you will see that I will also need to verify my account, which is a second eligibility requirement to get this paper money option in the cash app mobile app. Okay, so after verifying your identity, which is the first thing to do, you have to order a cash app card. All right, and after ordering a cash app card, you get a cash app card, you activate it in the app, and then you should be able to see this deposit paper money option right here. Okay, so if everything does not work as instructed in this video, you can have as a last resort by contacting cash app customer service and requesting them to make this feature available for your account. If there's any limitation that limits this feature from being featured in your account, they're going to inform you on that and provide you with the steps you need to take to make everything up and running. All right, so guys, that's how you get to make this paper money option show up in your cash app account. So as a quick recap, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you verified your account. After verifying your account, you make sure that you've ordered a cash app card. Okay, ordered and activated. Okay, so after doing those two, you want to make sure that your account is free from any limitations, and if you do all of that, while doing this, you need to make sure that you're using the latest version of the cash app mobile app. All right, and if you do all of that, that it does not still feature this feature, you want to contact customer service as a last resort. Okay, hopefully you should be able to fix this issue with these simple steps I've provided in this video. And for your complete understanding with resolving this issue, I will recommend you check the video description for a complete guide on how to resolve this issue step by step. Okay, so make sure you check the video description for a link to the resolution steps written detailing. Alright guys, so I'll catch you in the next video.